In Allahu yastafi min al-malaikati rusulan wa min al-nas. Allah chooses messengers out of the angels and human beings. What does it mean? The purpose of Wahi and the purpose of the institution of prophethood was, I'm saying was because now this institution has come to a final end. So it's better to use always the past tense. The purpose of Wahi and purpose of this institution of prophethood was to convey the message of Allah to humanity. Now Allah chose two links. First, the angel. He got that revelation from Allah and conveyed it to a human. Rasulul Malak, Rasulul Bashar. Ar-Rasulul Malak, Jibreel. Ar-Rasulul Bashar, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. These have been two links of this Wahi and prophethood always. ما كان لبشر أن يكلمه الله إلا وحيا أو من وراء حجاب أو يرسل رسولا فيوحي بإذنه ما يشاء إن الله إنه علي حكيم. He is very high, very high, very high. Allah is very high. So he has adopted this way of communicating with human beings. He chose one from the angels because angels were created out of light. And they are very close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They got the revelation, they got the message from Allah. Now the angel conveyed that message to a person who is a human being. He was Moses at some time, he was Jesus at some time, he was Abraham at some time, he was Nuh at some time, and finally he was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.